I'm going to ask you because you're good at this stuff. Tell me one of the scariest thoughts that comes up when you let your fear speak.
Good morning. I'm standing outside of Tombeau des Museums. I did totally ask Google to translate that for me, pronounce it in fact. I'm getting a late start today. I awoken from my 12 hours sleep and I clearly needed the rest. I cook myself a little breakfast and take my time this morning. I've got about a 45-minute walk to this currency exchange because I need to get myself some euros. I actually learned it's much cheaper to do it not at the airport. Shocker. I just wanted to check in real fast to share with you this beautiful view of mine. It's a sprinkly morning. I do have my raincoat, I have my umbrella, and I am prepared for what might come today. I feel like I kind of have the place to myself. Yeah. I'll be doing my best to check in throughout the day, pieces of what my day looks like. Bear with me, I will totally forget to record things. Okay, so long. I must look crazy right now with the way I've got my camera and my umbrella. Soon you'll be walking the streets of Italy with me. Oh my god, cute. Hi. BT. I love how all the places have nice balconies and terrace. Have some crazy unfortunate news. I totally got ripped off today, paying $300 at the currency exchange to cash in some euros. They gave me back 205 euros. I'm sorry, but if you do $300 cash, that is equivalent to 289 euros. So you're telling me it costs around 85 euros for me to exchange my money here. I think I just got robbed. Unfortunate game it is to play when you're traveling, but you do learn these lessons along the way. Should have done it at the airport. It is what it is. Pretty sad about it, but we're gonna let it go. My paper bag blues with my docs.